Question number 1. Which of the following is the process by which plants make their own food? Option A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Digestion. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is option B. Photosynthesis. Question number 2. What pigment is responsible for the green color of plants? Option A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotene. C. Anthocyanin. D. Xanthophyll. The correct answer is option A. Chlorophyll. Question number 3. Which part of the plant is responsible for absorbing water and minerals from the soil? Option A. Stem. B. Leaves. C. Roots. D. Flowers. The correct answer is option C. Roots. Question number 4. What is the main function of leaves? Option A. Absorb water. B. Transport nutrients. C. Perform photosynthesis. D. Support the plant. The correct answer is option C. Perform photosynthesis. Question number 5. Which gas is released by plants during photosynthesis? Option A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Methane. The correct answer is option B. Oxygen. Question number 6. What is the primary function of the stem in a plant? Option A. Absorb nutrients. B. Conduct photosynthesis. C. Provide support and transport water and nutrients. D. Reproduce. The correct answer is option C. Provide support and transport water and nutrients. Question number 7. Which part of the plant is involved in reproduction? Option A. Leaves. B. Stem. C. Roots. D. Flowers. The correct answer is option D. Flowers. Question number 8. What is the term for the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma? Option A. Fertilization. B. Germination. C. Pollination. D. Photosynthesis. The correct answer is option C. Pollination. Question number 9. Which part of the plant becomes the fruit? Option A. Root. B. Leaf. C. Stem. D. Ovary. The correct answer is option D. Ovary. Question number 10. Which of the following is non-flowering plant? Option A. Rose. B. Fern. C. Mango. D. Sunflower. The correct answer is option B. Fern. Question number 11. What is the main function of plant roots? Option A. Photosynthesis. B. Reproduction. C. Absorption of water and minerals. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is option C. Absorption of water and minerals. Question number 12. Which of the following is a parasitic plant? Option A. Mistletoe. B. Oak. C. Pine. D. Fern. The correct answer is option A. Mistletoe. Question number 13. What are stomata? Option A. Cells in roots. B. Openings in leaves for gas exchange. C. Parts of flowers. D. Structures in seeds. The correct answer is option B. Openings in leaves for gas exchange. Question number 14. Which nutrients is essential for chlorophyll production? Option A. Phosphorus. B. Potassium. C. Nitrogen. D. Calcium. The correct answer is option C. Nitrogen. Question number 15. Which process involves The loss of water vapor from the aerial parts of plants. Option A, transpiration. B, photosynthesis. C, respiration. D, absorption. The correct answer is option A, transpiration. Question number 16. Which of the following is a characteristic of monocot plants? Option A, net-like veins. B, two cotyledons. C, flower parts in multiples of 4 or 5. D, parallel veins. The correct answer is option D, parallel veins. Question number 17. What is the male reproductive organ of a flower called? Option A, pistil. B, stamen. C, ovule. D, sepal. The correct answer is option B, stamen. Question number 18. Which part of the plant carries out photosynthesis? Option A, root. B, stem. C, leaf. D, flower. The correct answer is option C, leaf. Question number 19. What type of plant tissue is responsible for transporting water and nutrients? Option A, xylem. B, phloem. C, epidermis. D, parenchyma. The correct answer is option A, xylem. Question number 20. What are the products of photosynthesis? Option A, water and carbon dioxide. B, glucose and oxygen. C, nitrogen and oxygen. D, glucose and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option B, glucose and oxygen. Question number 21. What is the term for the process by which a seed develops into a new plant? Option A, pollination. B, fertilization. C, germination. D, transpiration. The correct answer is option C, germination. Question number 22. Which of the following plants is known for nitrogen fixation? Option A, wheat. B, peas. C, corn. D, rice. The correct answer is option B, peas. Question number 23. Which hormone is responsible for the ripening of fruits? Option A, auxin. B, cytokinin. C, ethylene. D, gibberellin. The correct answer is option C, ethylene. Question number 24. Which of the following is a root vegetable? Option A, potato. B, carrot. C, tomato. D, cucumber. The correct answer is option B, carrot. Question number 25. What is the outermost layer of cells in a plant called? Option A, xylem. B, phloem. C, epidermis. D, cortex. The correct answer is option C, epidermis. Question number 26. Which part of the plant helps for anchor it to the soil? Option A, leaves. B, flowers. C, roots. D, stem. The correct answer is option C, root. Question number 27. What type of plants lose their leaves annually? Option A, evergreen. B, deciduous. C, perennial. D, annual. The correct answer is option B, deciduous. Question number 28. What is the function of the phloem tissue? Option A, transport water. B, transport nutrients. C, provide support. D, store food. The correct answer is option B, transport nutrients. Question number 29. Which part of the flower becomes the seed? Option A, ovule. B, petal. C, sepal. D, anther. The correct answer is option A, ovule. Question number 30. Which plant part is typically used for asexual reproduction? Option A seed, B flower, C leaf, D stem cutting. The correct answer is option D stem cutting.